Hey guys, I found a nice little add-on for the Pixie kit. Since this doesn't have any audio amp on it, it does have a 386 on it, but it has no amp to run just a regular speaker. Anytime that you run one of these, you have to run it through a powered speaker, which a powered speaker would need some type of other power, like AC power, to run it. But if you're out in the field, it's kind of hard to run an inverter all the way from your car and put it on the table where you're at. This new little audio amp just works on a 9-volt battery, so it's kind of nice. These hamburger speakers work pretty nice for field days, but I'm getting up in my age and my hearing's not good, and these are great. But if you got background noise, you got the wind blowing and everything else, these are kind of hard to hear unless you put your ear right up to it. Now, with this new injector I have over here, it's a audio amp. Okay, you can use one of these regular speakers. And the nice thing about this is all you need is a 9-volt battery. You don't have to plug it into your car or get an inverter or anything like that. So let me hook it up and let me just show you how it runs. So right now I'm on 40 meter 740. So let me power it up, and I'm just going to show you on a regular. I'm not going to use any amp or anything. I'm just going to use this, and I plug it into the audio jack, and I mean, you get nothing. Okay, so now you take this LM386 audio amp. Okay, you inject it with 9 volts, and then you'll have to get yourself one of these double-ended 3-pole audio jacks. Okay, and you plug it into the amp, you plug it into the Pixie, and then you wire it into your speaker. Now this is what's kind of weird, is why the Japanese or Chinese or whatever that built this thing, they got the 3-pole jack for the input, but on the output it's just a raw output. You have to actually physically wire it. But I'm sure you guys could put your own audio jack on it. Alright, let me just get this in here. And there you go. So now when you're in the field, you're totally independent. You're just running this on 2 9-volt batteries, and you got nice audio on it now. And it also has a volume knob, so you can turn it up and down. Bring it all the way up. That's a little too high. You can hear a little bit of the AM bleed on this right now. But the other nice thing about this is you could also, say it's a rainy day and you're on a field day, you can sit in your car, as long as your car has one of those auxiliary aux inputs on the radio, you can actually pump the audio from this audio amp into your radio and sit in your car. And you're totally independent. You don't need an inverter or anything like that. It's just running on 2 9-volt batteries. But I just wanted to show you that. Again, it's the LM386 Super Mini Audio Amp. And I'll leave a link down below for where you can get one of these. I'm actually going to have them on my website. But not my web. Well, yeah, I'll put them on my website too. Is pixiekits.com. I also have a eBay site, 19 Delta 10 Recon, and I sell a lot of Pixie stuff there. But if you guys like to pick one up, I can't remember offhand how much they are, like $9 or something like that. But they will not be shipped from China. They ship right from my house here in Maine. Thanks, guys.